Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we talk all things beauty with a touch of science and real-world experience. Today, I've got something that combines versatility and ease. It's theBalm's Antidotes Tinted Moisturizer and Concealer Set in No. 26, created specifically for medium skin tones. This product promises to not only hydrate, but also give you a smooth, natural finish. But does it live up to the claims? Stick around as we break it down. Now, let's take a closer look. The Antidotes Tinted Moisturizer and Concealer Set comes in an 8 fluid ounce bottle, definitely on the larger side for a moisturizer, which means you're getting great value for your money. This product is marketed as both a tinted moisturizer and concealer, which instantly piques my interest. It aims to provide that perfect balance between light coverage and hydration. Whether you're after a more natural, dewy finish, or something a little more polished, this could be your go-to. The formula is designed to hydrate, even out skin tone, and conceal imperfections without feeling heavy. It's lightweight, yet gives just the right amount of coverage to blur imperfections, all while leaving your skin feeling soft and moisturized. So far, so good, right? But how does it actually feel when applied? And does it live up to its promises? In terms of texture, it's smooth, creamy, and blends easily. I found that it melted right into my skin, offering a light, breathable finish. This would be perfect if you're not a fan of heavy foundations. It also didn't feel greasy, which is something I really appreciate when it comes to moisturizers. Instead, it provided a subtle glow that didn't look too shiny. Now for the real-world test. How did it perform in daily use? I wore it through a full day of work, running errands, and even a little post-work gym session. The product stayed in place without fading or oxidizing, which was impressive for a tinted moisturizer. I didn't need to reapply during the day, and it didn't clog my pores or cause breakouts. However, if you're looking for something that can hide very stubborn blemishes or dark circles, this might not be your go-to product. While it does a great job of evening out skin tone and giving a fresh, natural look, it doesn't offer heavy-duty coverage. For those who need something that covers imperfections like acne scars or very dark under-eye circles, you may want to consider layering it with a more intense concealer or using a full coverage foundation. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the texture is fantastic. It blends seamlessly and it provides a lightweight feel. The added benefit of hydration is also a big plus, especially for those with drier skin. It's an excellent everyday product, offering a more polished, effortless finish. But there are a couple of cons to consider. The coverage is lighter than expected, and while that's great for many, it won't work if you need more full coverage concealment. Also, the shade range for medium skin tones is limited, so if you're someone with a slightly deeper medium tone, you may need to look elsewhere. In terms of value for money, this product sits right at the sweet spot. While it's priced a bit higher than some drugstore brands, you're getting 8 ounces of product, which is a significant amount for the price. The versatility of the product also adds value, as you're essentially getting 2 products in one: tinted moisturizer and concealer. Comparing this to other tinted moisturizers and concealers on the market, it stands out with its blendability and hydrating properties. While some brands may offer more coverage or a larger shade range, theBalm's formula does a solid job of balancing hydration and light coverage, which is ideal for a natural, everyday look. As for the packaging, it's simple and functional, though I do wish the pump had a locking mechanism to avoid accidental spills. Still, the pump makes it easy to dispense the product without wasting any. I haven't had direct interaction with customer service, but theBalm is known for its solid reputation in the beauty community, so I'd expect any issues to be addressed quickly if they arise. So, is this product worth it? Well, if you're looking for something lightweight, hydrating, and perfect for a fresh, no-makeup look, then yes, theBalm's Antidotes Tinted Moisturizer and Concealer Set delivers. It may not be the right fit if you need full coverage, but for those with medium skin tones looking for something versatile, it's worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.